Ko Hokpingoa, ko Fugalaau, Elizabeth Amanaki Mafi, ko lele mai me niwa fo'o, ha'apai, Fugafa'awa maufanga, halatuya kolo fo'o. I am proud to be your Miss Tongatapu.
Can't be with someone who ain't like
Tonga. Ko Hokpingoa, ko Fugalaau, Elizabeth Amanaki Mafi. Ko lele mai pe me niwa fo'o, ha'apai, Fugafa'awa maufanga, pe moe hala tu'i kolo fo'o, ka ko nofo I he whanga o Pilo Levu. I am the daughter of Mele Amanaki and the late Sebastiano Mafi. I was raised by a village of service where values of lototo, humility, pa'apa, respect, Vevei tokai aki, sharing, and tauhiva, maintaining relations, were deeply instilled in me. I began my education at Tonga Side School, graduated from Tonga High School in 2018. I'd gone on to complete my Bachelor of Laws at the Victoria University of Wellington in New Zealand. My journey has been one rooted in faith, in family, and service. And I now serve with a strong sense of purpose in the Prime Minister's office, aiming to contribute meaningfully to our nation's sustainable development. I have taken up interest in our national security, where education, agriculture, safe environments, and health is an important factor to our livelihood. In my spare time, I embrace well-being through CrossFit, with Fit Life Tonga, playing the guitar, a little bit of singing, walking along our waterfronts, reading devotions, and journaling. I find joy in listening to island music and Afro beats, and I am strengthened through fellowship with strong women of God. I believe this platform is an opportunity to remind our people of their identity as proud Tongans, and in a world full of shifting values and instability, my goal is to help our people be seen and heard, to remain firm in our faith and values so that they may carry themselves with dignity in body, mind, and soul. May my journey show that with God's grace and the spirit of Talanoa, Tauhiva, and Ofa, that all things are possible. Ladies and gentlemen, contestant number 3, Miss Tongatapu, Fugalaau, Elizabeth Amanaki Mafi.